Welcome to my channel, Genuine Techlo. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best toolbox for truck bed that you need to check out. Whether you're looking for a toolbox for truck bed, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find out which products made it to the top. Number 1. TRUNKCRATEPRO Truck Bed Organizer. Le Classique Shop proudly presents the highly anticipated TRUNKCRATEPRO Extra Large Trunk Organizer. A patented, professional-grade solution for your vehicle storage needs. Crafted with premium Oxford polyester, this eco-friendly, heavy-duty organizer is built to last. Measuring 36.22 inches by 17.13 inches by 12.5 inches, it's perfect for SUVs, trucks, cars, Jeeps, and minivans. Designed for heavy use, the organizer features water-resistant, abrasion-resistant fabric and reinforced stitching, making it both tough and easy to clean. Stay organized effortlessly. Its innovative design includes multiple compartments, subdividers, and rigid base plates, ensuring your items stay in place. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's collapsible for convenient storage. Declutter your ride with confidence and style. Perfect for car enthusiasts or as a thoughtful gift for loved ones. Number 2. UnderCover SwingCase Toolbox Truck Bed. The UnderCover SwingCase for the 1999 to 2014 Ford F-150 passenger side is the perfect storage solution for your truck bed. Designed to fit with virtually all tonneau covers, including soft, hard, folding, and rolling models, this toolbox maintains a 3-inch clearance from the truck bed. It offers ultimate accessibility with its nearly 180-degree swing-out feature, allowing easy access from the tailgate. Once you're done, the toolbox swings back into a secure, locked position over the wheel well, maximizing bed space. With a key lockable lid and the ability to hold up to 75 pounds of cargo, it offers secure storage for your gear. The SwingCase also features an organizational tray and a moisture seal to protect contents from the elements. Installation is quick and tool-free, and the product is backed by a 1-year guarantee and US-based customer support, making it the ideal solution for truck owners in need of reliable and convenient storage. Number 3. ARKSEN 49 Aluminum Toolbox. Introducing the ARKSEN Toolbox. Portable and secure. Designed with sturdy carrying handles, it's easy to transport whether you're on the job site or enjoying the outdoors. Featuring 2 keys and a high-quality lock, your tools are always safely stored and protected from accidental opening or loss. With multiple size options available, ARKSEN toolboxes meet a variety of storage needs. Whether you're organizing tools in your vehicle or storing camping supplies, these versatile boxes offer ample space for all your essentials. Perfect for home, garage, or job site use. Built with a waterproof and dustproof design, your tools stay dry and secure in any environment. The durable, high-strength aluminum construction, combined with a stylish diamond pattern, resists rust, corrosion, and compression. Easy to use and maintain, this toolbox provides long-lasting functionality with minimal upkeep. Number 4. ARKSEN 24-inch aluminum toolbox. Transform your truck bed into an organized, secure storage solution with this durable toolbox. With overall dimensions of 24 inches long, 17 inches wide, and 17.71 inches high, it's compact yet spacious enough to store your tools, accessories, and supplies while saving valuable space in your vehicle. Crafted from rust and corrosion-resistant aluminum with a reinforced diamond tread pattern, this toolbox is designed for maximum strength, durability, and longevity. Keep your valuables safe with the rotary-style 2-position latch, which protects against theft and weather elements. The built-in WeatherGuard rubber seal ensures your tools stay dry by preventing water and moisture intrusion. A drop-down door provides full access to the roomy interior, perfect for tools, camping gear, and more. Featuring a stainless steel D-handle, this box offers a secure grip, even with gloves, and enhances weather resistance for lasting performance. Number 5. UWS Aluminum Truck Toolbox. This low-profile truck toolbox is engineered for durability with a patented rigid core lid, reinforced by solid foam to prevent binding and maximize strength. Crafted from extra-thick welded 0.058-inch aluminum in a sleek matte black finish, it's built to last. Stainless steel paddle handles provide secure, weather-resistant access, conveniently placed for easy use. Inside, a tool tray and built-in screwdriver holders keep your essentials organized. Installation is a breeze with pre-drilled mounting slots and included hardware, making it adaptable to various truck models and styles. If you enjoyed this countdown and found it helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you want more content like this.